Hey everyone, today I'm checking out the Andery MagSafe wireless charging car mount. Andery sent this over for me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the one user manual, one charging cable, one dashboard pad. It's optional for textured surfaces. And here's the magnetic car mount charger. This mount is designed for the iPhone MagSafe series, so the magnetic alignment is very clean and precise. With my S26 Ultra and MagSafe case, the attachment is stable and holds well during daily driving. It supports up to 15 watts wireless charging, which works smoothly with my S26 Ultra. It's convenient for keeping your phone powered while navigating or streaming music. The suction cup uses a rotating lock design and a multi-layer gel pad. It's engineered to stay stable during normal driving conditions, and in my experience, it's been very solid. You get full 360 rotation plus a dual-axis folding arm. Switching between portrait and landscape is smooth, and it's easy to position the phone exactly where you want it. I like that it has a simple, organized look. It keeps the dashboard clean and doesn't add clutter. So I installed this in my 2023 Kia Sportage, right in the narrow space between the gauge cluster and the infotainment. That spot is usually tough for mounts, but this one fit nicely. The suction locked in securely, and the adjustable arm made it easy to angle the phone without blocking my view. Last week we took a long drive through Arizona and Utah, and this mount honestly made the trip so much easier. I had my navigation running almost the entire time, and the mount kept my phone steady and easy to see throughout the drive. With my S26 Ultra and MagSafe case, the magnetic attachment stayed consistent the whole way, and the wireless charging kept my battery from dropping while using GPS. After hours on the road, I can say I've really been enjoying this mount. It's been reliable and convenient for long trips. If you're looking for clean, practical MagSafe car mount with wireless charging and flexible positioning, this one from Andery is a solid option. It's been working well in my Sportage with the S26 Ultra, and I appreciate how simple and stable it is to use. That's it for this video. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.